Want people to remember your story? Then use visuals. According to Toastmasters, when you tell people something, after a week, they're only going to retain about 10% of it. But if you share a visual, they're likely to remember up to 60%. That's because you're layering what you're sharing with them. You've got this audio of what you're talking about, and you also are showing them something that increases the probability they're going to remember it. For instance, let's say you've got a product such as water that is collected from rain. Instead of talking about them, you could show them, look, did you know that we collect rain from rainstorms as filtering products and we put it in this can to share with you? Or let's say you're a coach or an athletic trainer and you help people lose weight. Instead of just talking about how you've helped clients, you could show them. One of my clients literally had a belt that was a size 36, and now they're up down to a size 32 belt. So that visual complement to your audio story is going to increase the probability they're going to remember it and make you and your story that much more staying in their head.